In today's video tutorial, we're going to explain to you step by step how to replace the NV41 Series Wi-Fi module. What do you need? Soft material for under the laptop, a container, a screwdriver, and a new Wi-Fi module. The first step is to remove the screws. Now you can carefully remove the bottom case. Then you can disconnect the connecting cables. Do this very carefully or they will no longer be usable. Take the new Wi-Fi card and replace it in the same way. Now you can replace the screw. It's time to connect the cables. Use a piece of tape so the cables don't come off. You can put back the bottom case. This was the final step. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.